Check out this spot. I'm just outside of Front Royal, Virginia. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, it's a beautiful spring day here just outside of Front Royal, Virginia. We got a mixed train coming with a whole lot of track equipment on it, so let's check it out. That was a good mixed train there along with that track equipment. That was pretty cool to see. And I think that's going to do it here just outside of Front Royal, Virginia. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.